Hey guys, it's Addie, and today I'm going to show y'all how I silk press my hair at home. So I already washed and blow dried my hair, and honestly I feel like a good blow dry is really the key to getting a good silk press. Like I feel like if your blow dry is trash, the silk press is going to be trash too, you know? So the products that I'll be using are the Silk Elements Heat Protectant, the Cheese Silk Fusion Serum, and my red cheese flat iron. I have my hair parted into 4 sections, and I spray a good amount of the Silk Element Serum, honestly. My hair is pretty thick, so I use a lot, and my hair doesn't get weighed down too easily. And then I go in with the Cheese Silk Serum, and I put a dime-sized amount in that same section. But honestly, if you have thin hair, definitely be careful with how much of the cheese serum that you use, just because it can weigh your hair down, but you definitely know your hair better than I do, so definitely follow your heart, do what you think is right. I'm doing this for all 4 sections before I start flat ironing, just so I don't have to keep on spraying that Silk Elements and have it potentially get on parts of my hair that are already straightened and then weigh it down.
Flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21 go get the stick, hold up.
So to flat iron my hair, I put my iron on about 400 degrees, at the max probably 410. I don't go higher than that, I get way too scared. I split my section horizontally, and then the section that I just split horizontally, I split that one vertically to make a really small and thin section, just because my roots are really bent, so I have to really get small sections just to make sure that I'm straightening every single piece of my hair. I then take a rat tail comb and I thoroughly detangle my really thin section before I do the chase method.
Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet.
I know there's smoke, but I promise that's just from the product. That is not my hair burning, because if it was, I would have been stopped doing this. The cheese serum has silicone in it, which kind of creates a barrier to protect your hair, so it smells like product. It is not my hair burning. My hair bounces back every single time, I promise. Also, I clamp my flat iron down with pressure. Like, I don't want to say hard, but like, put some pressure on it, you know? It might seem like common sense, but I used to just flat iron my hair without pressing down on the flat iron as hard as I should, because I would forget. Like, I didn't think I would have to, but I've seen it make a difference in how straight my hair gets despite the temperature it's on.
Hold up, fell in love with some good throw. Hold up, fell in love with some good throw.
Honestly, the smaller the section, the better. I know it takes longer. I was probably in this bathroom for a good hour, but really, I'd rather spend an extra 20-30 minutes doing smaller sections and then have my silk press last an extra 2 weeks, honestly. Picking smaller sections has made a big difference in how I do on how my silk presses last. I can get them to last probably up to a month at this point.
She was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. 10 bad bitches in a mash. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding.
And them drugs come in handy. Last name Hendrix, bitch, but no, I'm not Jimmy. Held up with no condom, shipped her right back out the country. And I'm sipping codeine, tests all on my stomach.
Also, try to leave your bathroom door open or have a fan on. I have my bathroom fan on because sometimes it gets too hot in there, and the humidity of my bathroom will cause my hair to frizz up, so the fan helps reduce that.
And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. flexing on that bitch. Hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch. Hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up.
21. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up. 21 go get the stick. Hold up.
Hold up, hold up. Bitch, I like the ball, hold up.
Now I like to part the perimeter of my hair and straighten my edges out. I should have used my smaller flat iron, but y'all, I was hot, tired, and hungry. I was just trying to get done, honestly.
Back in rotation. Hold up. Bitches on me, immigration. Hold up. Going through the translations.
I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Hold up. Bitch, my Rolex on fleek. Hold up. Bitch, my diamonds on fleek. Bling, blah. Hold up. I got gold on my teeth. Hold up. You got rainbow on your feet, bro, bitch.
Hold up. Corny niggas don't impress me.
At this point, I'm not even gonna lie, I was not happy with how my hair was, and I don't know, y'all, I was impulsive and ended up cutting my hair, as you'll see in the next couple of clips. And I kind of wish I would have recorded it because it actually came out really good, but I was so scared in the moment because, I mean, I always cut my own hair, but never that much. I've never had my hair that short before, but I ate that up. So next time I definitely will show y'all.
Fell in love with some cutthroat. Hold up. Built no confidential papers up.
I was literally in disbelief. I really couldn't believe that I did it, but at this point, all I'm doing is really just bumping the ends. I think my heat's about at 360. I turned it down just because I'm doing bigger sections and it doesn't have to be bones. I mean, I've already straightened my hair. This is really just for the bump aspect now.
Last name savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me.
Finally, I'm taking my pineapple edge booster, aka the best edge booster. There's really no better edge contour out there. And I'm just gonna slick my edges down a little bit. Nothing too crazy, just 2 big swoops, medium-sized swoops on both sides.
I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up. 21 go get the stick. Hold up.
Bitch, I like the ball, hold up. Without no weave, you ball. Hold up. Bitch, I spent your rent inside the mall. Hold up. She got a nigga, but he broke, she lost.
Hold up. At this private location.
And these are the results, y'all. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. Bye, guys.